our channel. So in today's video, I am going to be cleaning out that monster, the fridge. I have been meaning to do this for a while since I got home from the hospital about like a couple months ago, and never really had the energy or the time to do it, and I think now is the perfect time to do it. So to make the fridge look a little more neater and organized, I picked these up from Home Goods. They are by the brand Core Kitchen, C-O-R-E. They're just like little fridge storage bins to make it look, you know, clean and organized. Picked up smaller bins for little snacks and treats. Also, I am going to be cleaning the fridge with these two products. This one is by Mrs. Meyers Clean Day in the Peony Scent. I actually got this off of Amazon. I got 6 of these for $23. I mean, that's a pretty good deal. You can find this also at Target. I've seen it there. But this, you guys, this scent is amazing. I haven't tried any other of the Mrs. Meyers scents. This was my first one, and I am so pleased with this. It smells amazing, amazing. And then to wipe down the fridge itself, I have a stainless steel fridge, and these are just stainless steel wipes. I found these at Target. You could probably find them anywhere. They make all your stainless steel appliances just shine and sparkle and look so clean. So if you are new to our channel, please go and subscribe. We make videos every Tuesday and Friday. Without further ado, let's get to cleaning. So first and foremost, I'm going to empty out the fridge. I'm going to get rid of everything that is expired and not good anymore, and I'm going to put it in a pile, and then in another pile I'm going to put everything that we still use and everything that is still good. Next, I'm going to wipe down all the shelves using that Mrs. Meyers Clean Day spray in the Peony Scent. I am not going to touch the produce section of our fridge because we just got new produce, and that section had already been cleaned prior to getting the new food. So I felt like there was no need to go ahead and clean it and organize it again since it was already done. Also not going to touch where the milk and almond milk and the coffee creamer are because those are also new, and I had cleaned that part of the fridge prior to getting those as well. So now for the fun part, getting to put everything back and organizing it. So on the right, I'm going to put all the condiments down there, like for burgers and hot dogs and whatever else we use. And then just going to put back everything that we had in the fridge before, like our wine and our juice. And then my husband is obsessed with LaCroix, what is it called, like sparkling water. So we stocked the fridge with those. Also with the eggs, my daughter loves eggs for breakfast, so that is her little area. Next, I'm using those bins right there to put in our little snacks. Braylon loves yogurt, and those are my rice puddings down at the bottom, and I love how you can stack them and make more room. think that's awesome. Then I'm going to put everything that's good back in a bigger bin. I decided not to keep the other bigger bin because really there was no place to put it and no purpose for it. So I think I will be returning that one. Next, I'm going to be filling up the fridge with fresh water bottles. I love when we have really cold water. And now I am going to wash some strawberries and cut them because I have strawberries every morning with my cereal. So that is a necessity, and I just found that cutting them before and putting it in a Tupperware and saving it, and then, you know, so you don't have to cut strawberries every day for your breakfast. I found that is way easier and way more practical. This cutting board I received from our wedding. I forgot if it was an actual gift or if we bought it with gift cards from our wedding, but it was from Macy's and it is from the line Martha Stewart. I will link everything down in the description box. Our Tupperware is from Home Goods, so I don't know if I can link that, but I will find the brand name and link it for you that way. Next, I'm going to be wiping the outside of the fridge with the stainless steel wipes, and this just gets rid of, you know, any fingerprints and any marks left on the fridge and leaves it with a nice shine. This is all the stuff that was expired and not good anymore, and this is what our fridge looks like without it. It looks a little bare, I'm not gonna lie, but it has everything that we need and stuff that is still good and not expired. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and it gave you a little bit of motivation to do some cleaning of your own. And please subscribe if you haven't already. And please give this video a thumbs up if you like these kind of videos of organizing and decluttering. And we will see you guys in our next video. Bye.